Got a modular home furnace here. Let's see, blowing cold air. Got new filters.
The furnace guy just got here, so that's why I was.
And that one's on. Okay, inducer starts up. Are we flashing any codes? No codes. Igniter comes on. And we got a spider in the orifice. That's what it is. The flame's really small. Okay. Let's see. It's the beginning of the year. Usually get a lot of these calls for modular homes, spiders in the orifice. Don't tell me I don't have the right Allen key. Crap. Alright, let me get the right Allen key. Come on out of there. Nothing there. So you don't lose them. And then we're going to do a heat exchanger check too. There's a beetle. It's in the orifice. What is it? A little flaky. That's an ant. Good old ant in your orifice. Usually it's a spider. I don't think I've ever found an ant in there before. First time for everything. Good old ant in the orifice. Ant in the orifice. Alright, let's do a heat exchanger check. This one's good. This one is good. And we'll brush this up a little. Good old ant orifice. Okay, put this back in. And you got an O-ring right there that seals against the gas valve face. Got a little plumber's grease, a little O-ring grease. Put a little on there, just for good seal. There we go.
Oh, shit. No, he didn't.
I always carry that plumber's grease in my bag.
Oh, I got it by the can. thermocoupler?
Nope.
No. What do we got going this time?
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
What? A bug in there?
Yeah, you got an ant in your orifice.
God damn. Last time I had a spider.
It's common. It's common.
Last time I had a frickin' spider.
Yeah, it's the good old spider in the orifice. That's the most common thing I find in there. Ant, that's the first time I found an ant.
So we got an ant this time.
Yeah. So I clean the flame sensor up, check the heat exchanger, that's good. Looks like it's in good shape. I'm just going to get it started up here and we're good to go.
Yeah, you guys put it in.
Yeah.
When I make the checkout, dependable?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think I got that much cash on me.
Oh, there we go. You'll notice the difference in the flame. Huge difference. There we go. Well, this is a common one. First part of heating season, we run into all the time on all our modular homes. I don't do that much modular homework, you know, but I mean, we do enough to know, or I've done enough over the years to know. First part of the year, that's the first thing you look for. You look for a small flame. When you got a small flame, and that orifice is blocked. That one was really blocked.
1/4 mile. Turn right on
Usually it's got a spider's nest in there. That's common. And as you heard from the customer, when the customer was leaning over me, she's like, last time it was a spider's nest or spider. So she is familiar with the problem. It's not, I mean, it's not, you know, once you get into the heating season, you rarely see it, but it's right at the beginning of the heating season, right when you first turn the thing on. That's when we see the most problems with the modular homes. So that was a pretty easy one.
Turn right on South Plaza Drive, then take
And we're off to the
left.
next one. I don't know what that's going to entail. And I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. See you guys.
Turn left on